Need to know how to get mold out of clothes? In this video we're addressing a common yet troublesome issue: removing mold from clothes. Mold can not only ruin the appearance and smell of your clothing, but also cause allergic reactions for some people. Let's go through how to tackle this problem effectively. Mold on clothes can spread quickly, especially in damp environments, and can weaken or permanently stain the fabric. Additionally, wearing mold-infested clothes can be harmful to your health. You will need white vinegar, a laundry detergent with mold-killing properties, a soft brush, and access to hot water. Optionally, you can use baking soda or a mold remover product designed for fabrics. Before you start, take the moldy clothes outside to brush off any excess mold spores. This prevents mold spores from spreading inside your home. Soak the moldy clothes in a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 4 parts water. Vinegar is a mild acid which helps to kill mold and neutralize odors. Let the garments soak for at least an hour. After soaking, wash your clothes in the washing machine at the hottest water setting permitted for the fabric. Use a good quality detergent, and if the clothes are particularly moldy, add a cup of baking soda to the wash to help remove the mold and deodorize the clothes. Once the wash cycle is complete, dry your clothes thoroughly in the sun if possible. UV rays from the sun help kill any remaining mold spores. If using a dryer, choose the highest heat setting that is safe for the fabric. After drying, inspect your clothes for any signs of mold. If stains or smells persist, repeat the soaking and washing process. For stubborn mold, consider using a mold remover product specifically designed for clothes, following the manufacturer's instructions. There you have it, your guide to removing mold from clothes. Regularly checking for dampness and mold can save your favorite outfits and protect your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful cleaning tips.